Hello, this is Mark from the Shading Company out here in a customer location where we completed the installation of several of these rolling security shutters. I'm going to show you in this video how this specific unit works. This unit is a 58 millimeter rolling aluminum shutter. It is completely motorized. The customer, this is the main interest of his vacation home. He's looking to cover this area. This is one of many. We're still in progress of putting the rest of the shutters, but he's securing all his lower level of his home, so to make sure that is protected as he's not here in his house. I'm going to show you how this unit works. In my hand, I got a multi-channel remote. I can change channels like I want through these selectors. On this one is specifically shutter number 6. I'm going to show you how it goes up. I hit the up button. As you can see, the slash starts coming up, and right now it's rolling to the upper limit, the preset upper limit. The shutter stopped at its upper limit, that is preset upper limit. Now I want to bring it down. Hit the down button, and the shutter starts coming down to its lower limit. These shutters do have a stop function. I can click the middle button and I can stop it, just in case somebody doesn't realize that the shutter is coming down. You can stop it. I can click the down button, and the shutter will continue to its lower limit. This is a very nice product. It works real well. This area is going to be protected, and you can open it and close it with a simple click of the button. I hope you like it. Enjoy this video. If you're needing any rolling shutters, security rolling shutters or stump shutters, do give us a call. Again, this is Mark from the Shading Company. Thank you very much.